from Ahmedabad. Hi, Ankit. Good evening.
Good evening, team.
Please go ahead with your question.
My query is, I wanted to invest in ITC and my time horizon is 2 years. So what is the level at which I can enter into ITC?
I understood your question, Ankit, but why are you interested in ITC? What's the reason?
Mainly because I believe ITC is a defensive stock, and other than that, the budget announcement and today's NTC outcome, it seems like the consumption will be in focus for next few years, and that's the main reason.
Interesting. Mr. Chokalingam, I will take this question to you because he wants to know if ITC is a good stock to remain invested in. Now, the company reported its Q3 results yesterday and net profit rose by 1.1%, revenue was up 8.4%, and the agri-business actually contributed the most to its profit. And you were also mentioned that given MPC's neutral stance and the rate cut that happened this morning of 25 basis points, it's going to boost liquidity in the market and give more money in the hands of the common man. Do you think in that kind of scenario, consumption is going to take, consumption is going to get a boost and companies like ITC are going to benefit from that?
Yeah, we do analyst to market ideas on the basis of these, bullets. But a lot of businesses are competing for the rise in the disposable income. So I'm not sure that alone, that is significant, no doubt, the budget measure. But whether that alone can be a justification for buying a stock, I have my own doubt. Yes, we also have a buy call on ITC. Medium to long term, it's a good buy. But short term, even though I have a buy call, I must admit the fact that in short term, it might stay under some stress. I have analyzed the results. Unfortunately, the two biggest business segments, both cigarettes and FMCG, the revenue as well as segment profits have a very subdued performance. And what is shown as a discontinued business, that is hotel business, has done phenomenally well. Now that is listed as a separate ITC hotel. I have both ITC hotel by recommendation. But in the short term, ITC may not perform well. For medium to long term, it is a good stock to hold. But in the short term, I believe ITC Hotel can beat ITC. Phenomenal results. And I expect a lot of noise to come in terms of expansion of hotel business by ITC Hotel in the short term itself. That also would be positive.
Okay, Mr. Chokalingam. So I understand that you have a buy call on ITC as well as ITC Hotels. Now, Ankit asked that if this is the right time to enter. So, say tomorrow, would you recommend Ankit to buy a couple of stocks of ITC?
As I mentioned, I am a little nervous on the whole market till mid-March. I believe the market might, show weakness or volatility with the downward bias. So, my research view is that investors can spread accumulation of equity till mid-March or even end of March. Yes, it's a buy. One can definitely consider even from tomorrow. But my research view in general, equity strategy is that the investors can spread out their purchases till mid-March or even end of March.
Got it. Let's move on to our next caller, and that's Saurabh from Ahmedabad. Welcome to the show, Saurabh. How may we help you today? Hello, Saurabh, can you hear us?
Yeah.
Yeah. Please go ahead with your question.
I have Piramal Pharma.
Okay.
350 quantity at the rate of 230, and I can hold it for 5 years. So please suggest one.
Okay. So are you looking for a long-term view or a short-term view?
Yeah, ma'am, long-term.
Okay.
5 years. I can wait 5 years.
Okay, for a 5-year period. Okay. So you have Piramal Pharma. Mr. Chokalingam, I'll come to you. The stock has taken a beating in the last month, so has the market, but on a 6-month and a 1-year basis has done pretty well. Your outlook for Piramal Pharma on a long-term view for like 5 to 7 years is what our viewers asking.
Yeah, valuation is stretched even now after the fall, but still, if somebody has 4 to 5 year view, definitely it's a buy, accumulate on declines. For two reasons. One, as I said, the stock price has corrected a lot. And second, I have monitored the management's media interviews about their future expansion plans. That gives a little more confidence in the stock. So my research view is that accumulate on declines over a period of 1 to 3 months.